welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a speed changer so that when you step on it, it changes your walk speed. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to want to insert a part. So go to Home tab, add in a part. Then we're going to change the dimensions to 6, 0, 6. Make sure it's on the ground. Then we're just going to change it so it's anchored. And then brick color is new yellow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in a script to this part. Then we're going to type in here script.parent.touch::connect function. And then hit. And then we're going to delete one of these brackets. And then we're going to do local humanoid, then equals hit.parent find first child. Then we're going to do humanoid, and then we're going to do humanoid.walkspeed equals 50. Okay, and then we'll just go back here and we'll play test it. And once we step on it, it gives us a faster walk speed. Now, the default walk speed is 16. So if you wanted to double it for a game pass, then it'd be 32. Or you can change it to a really high number. Just for demonstration, let's just try 1,000. I've never tried 1,000 before. Okay, wow, that is really fast. Okay, well, this is how you make a walk speed changer. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.